What's up everyone, this is Taylor from Truck World RVA. Here I have a 2015 F-350 single wheel, long bed, 6.7 diesel, 4-wheel drive. It's got right around 191,000 miles on it. Gooseneck hitch in the bed, work truck, brand new tires all the way around, new fuel pump. Got a little bit of a dent here on the rear bumper. Factory tow package as well. Truck came from North Carolina. It was a trade-in. Very clean and dry underneath, like you can see, brand new all-terrain tires. No rust whatsoever on the undercarriage. Very, very clean and dry underneath. Runs out great. Ice cold AC. Interior's pretty clean, just had a new driver's seat cover put in it. Sounds good up and down the road. Bed has a few dings here and there, but all in all, really clean truck. If you have any questions, feel free to call, text 804-716-8487 anytime. Four-wheel drive, like I said, 2015 model. Got a little wear there on the floor. Brand new driver's seat cover. You have the four-wheel drive, exhaust brake, factory tow package. Nice truck all the way around. 804-716-8487 if you have any questions. Thanks for taking a look.